everyone. Today I'm going to present my Nature Baby company with the innovation and the sustainability. So in my first slide, here's the company overview. So Nature Baby company founded by the Jacob and Georgia Fall in the year 1998. So they found this company for the simple fact because they want the best for their babies. So because on that time there is no natural production of the baby products. So the inspiration for this company is a shared commitment to sustainability and natural products. The mission and vision is to providing the high quality and the sustainable products for the baby to be leader in the eco-friendly baby products, and their products is very highly known for the high quality, purity and the organic alternative for the babies. And here's the main products and the services of the Nature Baby, and their product categories are organic clothing, bedding and sleepwear, skincare products, and recently they add the maternity supplies as well for the moms and the babies. And the key features are the natural materials with the sustainable production because they never compromise with the quality. They give the best for in the products because they are very good for the babies because they use the certified organic cotton and the merino wool to for the production. So here's the strategic plan and the annual goals, and the strategic plan is to focus on the sustainability and the ethical production to increase the product options, and they also focus on the consumer engagement because they always try to take the feedback from the consumers, and because it will help to improve their products. And the annual goals are increase the market reach, which will enhance the sustainability practice, and it will also help to boost the revenue for this company. So market share and the positioning. So Nature Baby company is a family owned company, so there is no market share exact data available on the Google. So but from their brand image and from the journals. So I just find this market share and the positioning. So market share is the competing in the specific market of organic baby products, and the target market is the environmentally conscious parents because they always seek for the parents who are looking for the environment friendly products for their babies. And the positioning is a high quality and eco-friendly products which will help to maintain the brand reputation for sustainability. So here's the production of Nature Baby. So in the year 2003, Jacob and Georgia went to India because India is rich in organic cotton farming. So that's why India produced the 98% of organic, and Fiji and China both produce the 1% of each. And the founders often regularly visit to India to maintain their personal relationship with the manufacturers, and that's why they establish the long-term relationship with each other. And they continually working to improve the ongoing effort to enhance the labor conditions because they also set the code of conduct for the company, which is very good. And as per the audit in the year 2012 to 2018, this factory performed well as per the company's code of conduct. After that, here's the couple innovation model. So this company used the couple innovation model because it can include the combining internal R&D with external collaborations, and they also work with the research institution to examine and enhance the innovation methods. And they also collaboration with the supplier, designer and the customer to enhance the products, and co-creation and the continuous improvement. They are also explore the sustainable materials which help to reduce the waste and packaging solutions. So here's the flow chart of Nature Baby company. So collaboration with supplier and partners. So Nature Baby company always seeking for the manufacturer and the farmers who product the organic cotton which is certified, and they also enhance the factory work education and staff involvement because there is no discrimination, race, gender, anything in this company. That's why they set the code of conduct. and they also adopt the eco-friendly dyeing and finishing process. So it will help to save the water, reduce the water, and it is less chemical free, and it is also helpful for the environmental. And customer-centric innovation, they also using this innovation so that the customer can modify their products. So it will help to reduce the overproduction. And they also combining internal R&D with the external collaboration, and it will help to make the continuous improvement for overall company production. So here's the financial impact of open and couple innovation. So benefits are accelerated product development, which will help to reduce the cost, and it will also increase the customer satisfaction, because Nature Baby company provide the blockchain which will help to track their products. So customer can track their product and know about their all the process which the Nature Baby company made their products. And financial results are, it will help to make the higher sales, and further it will help to make the market growth and enhance the profitability. Here's the example of co-creation with suppliers. So eco-friendly materials like organic cotton sourcing and sustainability standards. So organic cotton, I already explained, like Nature Baby use 80%, 85% of certified organic cotton. And innovative packaging, they develop the eco-friendly packaging which will reduce the environmental impact. So Nature Baby company use the reusable packaging, so which will help to reduce the environmental impact, because they make the packaging from the potato starch. And here's some challenges and for their future success. So challenges are maintaining the quality and sustainability, because sometimes it's very hard to maintain the exact ethical code of conduct for all the companies. So ensuring the supply chain transparency and innovation pressure. It also happened because the competition is very high in today's era. So that's why a lot of companies come up with the new technologies. So innovation pressure could be one challenge for Nature Baby. And how to overcome the challenges? If they do the regular audit and assessment and build a strong supplier partnership, so it will help to overcome these challenges. So here's my reference. Overall, I can just say that the Nature Baby company provide the eco-friendly products for their babies and the parents as well. So I think all the companies should come up front with these ideas, with the unique innovation. So because New Zealand NZ government already struggling with the plastic garbage, so I think it is the best innovation to reduce the environmental effect and to make the environment more beautiful. That's all.
Okay, thank you. So you taking questions? Okay, good. So Robin G is going to ask you a question.
Yeah, thank you so much, Priyanka Devi. My question for you is, in what ways Nature Baby differentiate itself in the market? Can you explain more?
Yeah, so innovation plays a very crucial role in Nature Baby company. First thing, I think the long-lasting products, because Nature Baby company provide the long-lasting products, so it can be used for multiple children, and it could be withstand with wear and tear. That's well. So I don't think so that so this company not only highlight the quality of the product and also enhance the longevity. After that, I think the transparency and the tracking system, I already explained, like the blockchain, which will help the consumer. They can see the all the process of the products. And third one, I think the sustainability of the products, because they use the certified organic cotton and the merino wool, which is best for the babies.
Great job, appreciate it.
Okay, thank you.